Hey, this is my first kind of video where I try this. Got a nice package from Noisy Fruitslab. I already know what it is, so it's not a surprise, but it's gonna be the Sproom DSP module, which I really like. And I know there's now a DIY version coming out. So yeah, for those people that really like some DSP, but like to solder or maybe save a few euros, dollars on having, you know, parts and components at home, some assembly time. This is great. Yeah, as far as I know, I'm one of the first to get one of these. So nice package. So I got the external, uh, um, the extra EEPROM 1. I actually have two of them because I know it changed a bit since the version that I have, and I discussed at length that I really like some of the reverbs that were in the original version 1. So yeah, I guess that's why I got another one, and I want to try to program some myself. So EEPROMs, nice through hole, because programming will need to use an Arduino with a breadboard of some sort or a socket. Okay, so what's in here? Hey, this is not part of a Sproom. This is something else. Let me see, what is this? Okay, tiny module. Dual switch. Oh, I think I saw this on Instagram, on his website maybe. This is a switch where you can switch between some inputs and outputs, and nice because these seem quite special switches. At least I have never seen these. Nice, nice. Something else. More. Oh, Sproom. This is the panel components board, and apparently I have two of those. I know it only has one panel, so let me see. Oh, and a main PCB, another main PCB. Ooh, looks like I will be building two of them. Yes, panels as well. So nice, nice. Yeah, hey, who doesn't want to run their delay into a reverb, into another delay or in a shimmer or in a, I don't know, any other effect. So nice, nice spin FE1 chip, the heart and soul of this module. Pretty nice. It's an SMD chip, while the whole module is actually a surface mount. It shouldn't be too hard. These are not tiny packages. 0805, and yeah, it should be good. Nice looking panels. On the first version, I misunderstood some of the front panel. It only had a clear hole in the back and not an obvious one in the front. So I just thought this is a mistake in the PCB manufacturing, and I, like the idiot that I am, I just took a drill, drilled a hole. Well, I of course should have just asked the people in Noisy Fruitslab about this, because they could have told me, no, this is actually a see-through panel, and they made it a bit more obvious now in on the front panel that this is actually going to light up. So this is the over I don't know, input clipping LED over voltage volume LED. But nice, nice. So looks like I'll be building two then, and nice little switch module, which yeah, I think I'll be building first because I'm still actually waiting on some of the components that should go on the sprue. I didn't get a full kit. This is actually a panel and PCB set and has some of the pots and jacks as well. All the main passives, some of the op amps. Um, yeah, I should provide myself. I actually have them. The only thing that I don't have is the 4532. I forgot what it was. I think it's a multiplexer of sorts, and then two power or voltage regulators that I also didn't have when building the 10 chan fader bank, which I then butchered just putting a TO 220 package on there. But this time I'll do it right, and I have those on order as well because and I fixed the fader bank. So nice, nice, nice. Thanks, Andrew McLeod, Noisy Fruitslab. Fun. I'll get into some DIY. Thanks. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. I love this module, and having one is great. Having two is even better. And if I feel like it, I'll just build a third one as well. Hey, thanks. See you guys.